Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by powering off and disconnecting the keyboard to avoid damage. Use a flat pry tool to gently pop the loose keycap straight up. Do not twist. Once removed, inspect the keycap, scissor hinge, and rubber dome. Look for broken tabs, dirt, or misalignment. Capture a photo of the underside so you remember orientation. You're now ready to clean and assess the retention mechanism. This step prevents reinstalling a fouled or damaged part and saves time later. Once the keycap is off, clean the area thoroughly. Blow out grit, then use a cotton swab damp with isopropyl on the scissor assembly and dome to remove oils. Next, inspect the scissor hinge. If clips are unseated, realign them so both arms sit in their sockets. Use tweezers for fine placement. If a clip is broken, you can transplant a hinge from a donor key or install a replacement part. Make sure the rubber dome's plunger still provides tactile spring. Replace it if compressed. To finish, position the scissor hinge on the keyboard base and place the keycap directly over the hinge, keeping it level. Press firmly and evenly until you hear a click. Do not force at an angle. Once snapped in, test the key's travel and actuation in a text editor. Make sure it depresses smoothly and registers reliably. If it feels mushy or won't snap, remove and inspect again. If components are damaged, replace the hinge or key assembly or seek a professional repair.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.